Good afternoon. Heather and Andrew are back with you today, and we are discussing Module 7, which is welcome letters, and how powerful that is to receive that when checking in to any of our hotels. And Andrew, I got to tell you, there's so many times where I go travel to our Vision properties and I enter my guest room and I'm so wowed by seeing a handwritten note, because you just don't see that very often.
That's right. And what's really interesting is really the lack of welcome letters that I see at our competitor hotels. And, you know, if I'm just traveling on my own under the team member associate rate to our other Hilton and Marriott properties, you really don't see a lot of other properties doing this. So not only does it wow the guests, but it gives us the ability to differentiate ourselves from the competition.
It does. It really does make us stand out, and it's so welcoming. And also, when I go down and meet with the teams, I always make sure at the front desk, every property should have either brand stationery there or any Vision note cards. And if you don't, please reach out to your regional director of sales, and they can assist you in ordering those. But everyone is empowered to write a welcome letter, whether it's a front desk associate, engineering, housekeeping, any of our departments. So please continue to do that. And I would love to challenge you to writing a minimum of 3 a week. And, you know, you can, when you're running the arrivals report, and you're looking at your repeat customers, or you see an account that you've never seen before, you know, target those certain guests and write a welcome note and welcome them back to the property, or maybe even tell them more about the area so they know what's surrounding them if they're new to that specific market. So Andrew, you want to go over a little bit about who can deliver these welcome letters?
Yeah, certainly. I mean, the fact of the matter is that, you know, anybody, like Heather was saying, anybody has the power to write these letters. Unfortunately, not everybody has a master key to go and deliver them. So it's really going to depend from property to property. But when I worked the front desk and I would write welcome letters, I would just ask the housekeepers to drop them off and deliver them when they're going through their rounds and cleaning the rooms. It's a fantastic way to deliver the letters and really personalize the stay like we discussed. In our previous modules, we talked about some of the target and the top accounts at your hotel. So these are fantastic places to start when you're wondering, well, who specifically should I write a welcome letter to? Specifically, those target accounts are the ones that we're actively trying to get in the hotel. So having that really positive, memorable experience and wowing the guest with a welcome letter can really do a lot to get that account to recommend the hotel in the future and continue to stay there.
Yes, I'm so glad, Andrew, that you brought up target accounts, because as you may remember in previous modules, we have a war board in each of our sales departments. So if you don't know anything about the war board, please ask your director of sales to go over that with you. But those are target accounts that our competitors are seen staying in their hotels, and we're trying to shift market share over to our own. So that those individuals that are traveling to your hotel that are on that war board would be a great person to target with these welcome letters.
Yeah,
so
and,
anything else?
You know, in addition to that, we might also want to look at our top rewards members, our Diamond and Titanium members for Marriott and Hilton. These members are literally our highest spenders. They're our biggest accounts for the Hilton and Marriott as a whole. So, you know, writing them a welcome letter, and again, since it's something that not a lot of properties do, it will really make us stand out. So those are some things that you can look at as well when you're considering writing a welcome letter.
Yes. Well, great. Well, we charge y'all to go ahead and start writing those welcome letters today. And thank you so much for making an impact and a difference and making us stand out among other hotels. Have a great day.